In today's fast-paced world, having a side hustle can be a game changer. It's not just about making extra money, it's about creating new pathways and opportunities for yourself. Not only can it provide extra income, but it also opens up new opportunities and experiences. Imagine the thrill of seeing your hard work pay off in unexpected ways. Many people have turned their passions into profitable ventures, proving that anyone can do it. Whether it's crafting, writing, or consulting, the possibilities are endless. The potential of a side hustle is enormous, and it's a chance to take control of your financial future. It's about building something that can grow and evolve over time. The flexibility of a side hustle allows you to work on it alongside your main job. You can fit it into your schedule, making it a perfect complement to your daily routine. This means you can test the waters without taking a huge risk. Start small, learn the ropes, and gradually expand as you gain confidence and experience. The key to a successful side hustle is starting with a solid plan. Research your market, understand your audience, and set clear, achievable goals. From identifying a niche to setting up an online presence, every step is crucial. Your online presence can be your storefront, your marketing tool, and your customer service hub all in one. Imagine the freedom and security that comes with having a secondary income stream. It's not just about the money, it's about the peace of mind and the possibilities it brings. So let's dive in and explore how you can start your journey to financial independence. With determination and the right approach, your side hustle can become a powerful tool for achieving your dreams. The first step in starting a side hustle is identifying your niche. This is crucial because it sets the foundation for everything that follows. Reflect on your skills, interests, and hobbies. Think about what you are passionate about and what you can see yourself doing long-term. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing in your free time? These are important questions to ask yourself. These questions can help you pinpoint a niche that aligns with your strengths. It's about finding that sweet spot where your skills and passions intersect. Once you have a list of potential niches, it's time to narrow it down. This can be a challenging but rewarding process. Consider the viability of each option. Look at the bigger picture and think about the long-term potential. Is there a market for it? Are people willing to pay for what you offer? These are critical questions to answer. Research is key at this stage. Dive deep into market trends and consumer behavior. Look at trends, search for related products or services online, and see what your competitors are doing. This will give you a clearer picture of the landscape. It's also essential to think about your target audience. Understanding who you are serving is crucial. Who are they? What are their needs and pain points? Knowing this will help you create a more effective strategy. Understanding your audience will help you tailor your offerings to meet their demands. Feedback is invaluable in this process. Remember, the goal is to find a niche that you love and that has the potential to generate income. Passion combined with market demand is the key to a successful side hustle. Market research is a crucial step in starting a side hustle. It involves gathering information about your target market and understanding their needs, preferences, and behaviors. Start by defining your ideal customer. Create a profile that includes their age, gender, location, income level, and interests. This will help you tailor your offerings and marketing strategies. Next, explore where your audience spends their time. Are they active on social media? Do they frequent certain websites or forums? Knowing where to find your audience will inform your marketing efforts. Use tools like Google Trends, social media analytics, and keyword research to gather data. Competitor analysis is another essential part of market research. Look at what similar businesses are doing and identify opportunities and gaps in the market. A business plan is the roadmap for your side hustle. It serves as a comprehensive guide that outlines your vision and the path you need to follow to turn your ideas into reality. It outlines your goals, strategies, and the steps you need to take to achieve them. This document is essential for keeping you on track and ensuring that you have a clear direction. Start by defining your mission and vision. These foundational elements will guide every decision you make and help you stay aligned with your core values. What do you want to accomplish with your side hustle? Think about the impact you want to make and the legacy you want to leave. What are your long-term goals? Consider where you see your side hustle in 5 or 10 years. Having a clear mission will keep you focused and motivated. It will serve as a constant reminder of why you started and what you aim to achieve. Next, set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. These goals will provide you with a clear framework and milestones to track your progress. For example, your goal might be to make $1,000 a month within the first 6 months. This gives you a tangible target to work towards. Breaking down your goals into smaller, actionable steps can make them more manageable. Each small step will bring you closer to your larger objectives. Outline your marketing and sales strategies. These strategies will be crucial in reaching your target audience and converting them into customers. How will you attract customers? Think about the unique value proposition you offer and how you can communicate that effectively. What channels will you use to promote your side hustle? Explore various platforms and methods to find the best fit for your business. Consider both online and offline methods. A balanced approach can help you reach a wider audience and maximize your impact. Financial planning is another critical component. It ensures that you have the necessary resources to sustain and grow your side hustle. Estimate your startup costs and ongoing expenses. This will help you budget effectively and avoid any financial surprises down the road. Next step is setting up an online presence, your digital storefront. In today's digital age, having an online presence is essential for any side hustle. Your website is your digital storefront, and it's often the first impression potential customers will have of your business. Start by choosing a domain name that reflects your brand. It should be easy to remember and relevant to your niche. Next, build a professional website. Platforms like WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace offer user-friendly templates that you can customize. Your website should include key information about your business, such as your mission, products or services, pricing, and contact details. High-quality images and engaging content will make your site more appealing. Don't forget about search engine optimization or SEO to help your website rank higher in search engine results. Following step is knowing about marketing strategies to get the word out. Marketing is an essential part of growing your side hustle. Without it, potential customers won't know you exist. Start by developing a marketing plan that outlines your strategies and goals. Consider both online and offline methods to reach your audience. Social media is a powerful tool for reaching a broad audience. Choose platforms where your target audience is active and create engaging content that resonates with them. Use a mix of posts, including promotional content, educational tips, and behind-the-scenes glimpses of your business. Email marketing is another effective strategy. Build an email list by offering valuable content. Paid advertising can also boost your marketing efforts. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads allow you to target specific demographics. Next stage is managing time and resources. Balancing your hustle. Balancing a side hustle with your main job and personal life can be challenging. Time management is crucial to ensure you stay productive without burning out. Start by creating a schedule that allocates specific times for working on your side hustle. Treat these times as non-negotiable appointments with yourself. Prioritize your tasks based on importance and urgency. Use tools like to-do lists, calendars, and project management apps to stay organized. Outsourcing can also help you manage your time more effectively. Identify tasks that can be delegated to others, such as administrative work, social media management, or graphic design. Lastly, don't forget to take care of yourself. A healthy work-life balance will make you more productive and motivated in the long run. Once your side hustle is up and running, the next step is to scale it up to grow your side hustle. Growth requires strategic planning and the willingness to adapt. Start by analyzing your current performance. What's working well? What areas need improvement? Use data and feedback to inform your growth strategies. Consider expanding your product or service offerings. Introducing new items can attract more customers and increase your revenue. Increasing your marketing efforts can also drive growth. Networking with other entrepreneurs and joining industry groups can provide valuable opportunities and insights. Lastly, think about the logistics of scaling up. Plan for these needs in advance to avoid bottlenecks. Next is overcoming challenges, navigating obstacles. Starting and growing a side hustle comes with its fair share of challenges. From financial constraints to time management issues, it's important to be prepared for obstacles. The key is to approach these challenges with a problem-solving mindset and resilience. One common challenge is managing finances. Starting a side hustle often requires an initial investment, and it may take time before you see a return. Create a budget and stick to it. Look for cost-effective solutions and prioritize spending on essential items. Another challenge is balancing your side hustle with other responsibilities. Time management and organization are crucial here. Set clear boundaries and communicate them to your family, friends, and colleagues. Dealing with competition can also be tough. Stay informed about your competitors and continuously look for ways to differentiate your offerings. Now let's go through a few success stories, real people, and real results of side hustlers. Hearing about the success of others can be incredibly motivating. Take Sarah, for example. She started a side hustle selling handmade candles on Etsy. With a full-time job and 2 kids, she managed her time carefully. Her dedication paid off, and within a year, she was earning over $5,000 a month. Then there's John, a software developer who launched an online course teaching coding to beginners. He spent his evenings and weekends creating content and marketing his course. Within 6 months, John's course was generating $10,000 a month. Another inspiring story is that of Emily, who started a freelance graphic design business. Through consistent effort and building a strong portfolio, Emily eventually landed high-paying clients and scaled her business to a full-time income. In conclusion, starting a side hustle can be a transformative experience. It offers the potential to earn extra income, pursue your passions, and achieve financial independence. While the journey may be challenging, the rewards are well worth the effort. With the right mindset, tools, and strategies, anyone can turn their side hustle dreams into reality. Remember, the key to success is starting with a solid plan, staying consistent, and being open to learning and adapting. Don't be afraid to take the first step, even if it feels daunting. Every successful side hustle started with a single idea and the courage to act on it. Your side hustle journey is unique. Celebrate your progress and learn from your setbacks. So what are you waiting for? The best time to start your side hustle is now. To wrap up our video, I have a fun and exciting challenge for you, the $500 Side Hustle Challenge. Here's how it works. Challenge: identify a side hustle idea that you think can earn you an extra $500 in 1 month. Plan out your strategy and the steps you'll take to achieve this goal. Share your plan and progress in the comments below. We'd love to hear your creative ideas and see how you tackle this challenge. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Rich Roadmap channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming content. Good luck, and let's hustle together.